In front of me is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Privacy. Then scroll down to access Permission Manager, which is located under App Permissions in Permissions section, and select one of your device's features to manage it, like for example, location. Now you can either select one of those apps, like Firefox, apply one of those options for location access, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Or you can select an app and scroll all the way down to tap on See All Permissions. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!